KORU. 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 KORU.
All right, good morning, everybody. Hey, we made it to a Wednesday. I don't have anything on. Still carrying that. Let's see what we have here. All right, good morning, everybody. Hey, we made it to a Wednesday. I don't have anything on. Still carrying that. All right, there we go. Got a little feedback there. All right, so we are still holding on to that long natural gas. We did get out of the mini NASDAQ last night. And I haven't put anything on this morning. I don't see a whole lot of opportunities on the stock, so I'm going to run some scans here and see if we have anything that's really moving, but I just don't see anything that's moving yet. The mini Dow's of 164. It's pretty good. ES is up 32. We have the mini NASDAQ is up 119. Mini Russell up 28. It looks like we're definitely going to be getting a higher opening here. Let's see, it's gonna be something moving here. Oh. Good morning, Glenn. How are you, sir? I think your stock hit that target yesterday. All right, I am just going through a few things here and seeing if we have anything that's really standing out, really moving. All right. CTIC. So I kind of like CTIC. All right, just looking over CTIC here. Let's see a 906 target. We've got a clustering up there around 905, 906. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a very light position on the CTIC. All right. Light position on CTIC, just about here is CTIC. And then 891. VST. And VST is on the move. I don't see anything here that I'm. Got a little bit longer term entries on that, but or longer term targets. I'm not ready to get into MVST. I do like it though to go higher. PBTC. No. Already out of my JDST, so nothing there. Got out yesterday. Index. Go higher index. Don't say anything though that I want to put on right now. It's the LRO. And get a little pullback on that. All right, MBST again. Nothing. TCRX again. Not seeing a whole lot in here. CHSN. Like CHSN. Needed to pull back a little bit here. I'd like to get it down to around the 270 area if we can get down there. I'll keep that on the radar. TOP. Nothing I really like on TOP. Plus, you could have a nice run up to 35, but not really seeing anything that I like there yet on TOP. All right, let's see what else we have here. Let's take a look at VCIG. Now volume's too light, way too big of a spread. So no go on that. Let's look at TRVN. Good spread. Volume's good, but it looks like it's going lower. ENSC. I had a nice move the other day, but not seeing anything there. Man, not a whole lot. Nope. The LCM, SMX. Good spread, volume a little light. It's like that wants to go lower. So no, nothing on that. BLTR, much better volume. BLTR could possibly go higher here. If I have some good buying down here. I'm gonna go light, start a little bit of position here on PLTR.
AYTU.
All right, buying in at 84. I'm sorry, bought in at 79. Very light positions on PLTR. Light position still on CTIC. I did, yeah. I had a target on that mini NASDAQ and it hit it late last night. And it's same thing with the natural gas. I'm still long that natural gas. And the natural gas, I'm still in that natural gas. It's still against me, but I'm still long that natural gas. So still on the natural gas, and I just bought in the PLTR, also CTIC. Good morning, Kim. So I went pretty light on CTIC only because I really have one target up here, well, two targets. And it's already had a pretty good run pre-opening here. So I'm going to just not really done it. Now, if we take off, if we can get above 904, 905 level, I may add, but we'll wait and see what happens here. But it's got to get above this. First, we got to get above this $9 level. Let's see if we get some of those sellers to dry up. So only put on 200 shares, very light. PLTR. Get some levels on PLTR. All right, so I have much higher targets here. I have a $10. If I have anything beyond $10. Well, for right now, that is going to be a pretty good target. So we're just going to watch the $10 mark. TCRX. Yes, I do have TCRX on my radar. Oh, possible buy at 440. Are you in TCRX? I'll put a light position on TCRX. All right, they gave me 38 on it. TCRX 438. So I am long now TCRX. Only went light. 200 shares. Not going to add to any of these unless they start running. All right, I'm gonna have to go ahead and get out of this natural gas. It's starting to fall. We're getting a short on this natural gas. All right, got out on natural gas, took a loss on the natural gas. Let's see if we have a selling opportunity.
AYTU. PPSI.
Getting a short on gold, getting a short on the gold. I'll take this gold short. All right, let's look at gold. Nothing on natural gas yet. Gold.
PPSI.
All right, short the gold.
PYXS.
Hey, 2039 target. $20.34 target. I may carry it to 34 depending on how we do after we hit this first target.
APEI. ACHV.
All right. We'll keep an eye on this gold. Target's gonna be 39.
PLSE. TLYS.
Hey, got a few minutes here before the opening bell. I'm long CTIC, PLTR, TCRX.
ACHV. TLYS. PXJ. APEI. USEG. UIHC. CANF. PSCE. PLM. TRVI. POAI. VERB. CFRX. PIII. VERA. BWEN. BITQ. BIVI. UFI. PPSI. ABOS. UEIC. PVBC. VOC. AIRS. PLSE. APCX. LBPH. KALV. ASPS. ABOS. BCTX. ARAV. AIP. EPSN. FRBA. ACHV. ACHV. ATXI. PYXS. ACHV.
Buy order
QH.
down there
ACHV.
960.
UNCY. UEIC.
See if we get a little bit of support on that. Still on PLTR.
PVBC. POAI.
TCRX.
ABOS.
TRX looking all right. CTIC.
FRGAP, FRG, DAVE.
I think that CTIC is going to be a slow mover. Keep an eye on that. All right. Let's see.
UBX.
Check on our gold.
UTME.
Yeah, working down, getting closer to our gold target.
EPSN.
I think gold looks pretty good here. I think we're going to hit our target.
TKLF. UNCY. UNCY. ASPS.
Yes, they do. Every
PPSI.
Friday, Glenn, they do. Yes, there's a new set every week, and they expire on Friday. So you
PTPI.
can carry it all week if you have to.
TUSK. UBX. UNCY.
All right, for those that are watching our morning show, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, make sure that you please subscribe. Also, if you hit that notification bell, we will keep you updated on any new
UBX.
videos that we do release.
SENGEVER.
Doing a little bit of everything today. We have some stock trades on. We have some commodities. We have gold,
TKLF.
shorter gold. We got out of a natural gas trade today. Going to be watching for
BTCN.
short on natural gas as well at some point. Don't have anything on the indices, but we also watch indices, watch crude. Do have a few stocks on here. Let's look at TC, still holding on the TCRX.
PIII.
TCRX is not looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of TCRX. Let's see what we have down here. We do have a lot of mine at $4. Only have 200 shares on, nothing really heavy. Let's see what happens if we get down to 4. I may add a little bit. All right, I'm just going to hold it, but I am not liking it once we start really bouncing. So let's see what happens. PLTR, still in PLTR.
APEI. AIRS.
Pretty quiet. PLTR. Got to have a ton of selling up there around $10. And CTIC, all very light, just don't have a lot of shares on right now. Very, very light.
UBX. PVBC.
I am not seeing
VERA.
DAVE, TCX, HCDI, ARQT,
VERA.
BBAI. It's been on our radar many, many times. Don't really see it there yet.
EIVI.
Definitely could have some nice buying down here around 276. I don't have anything that I'm ready to jump on though. Spread's good, volume's good, 1.5 mil. Just don't see any setups that I'm really excited about. Where did that go? The LRO is on our radar. That's looks like that wants to go down. Yeah. Looks like CLRO wants to go lower.
CFMS. BEAT.
Let's see CLRO going down to 192. quite a few shorts on this thing. 188. $187. Yeah, there's a bunch of that's gonna go down. It looks like that's going down. All right.
EPV, PIII,
All right, let's see what else we have.
TZOO,
LPRO, TCX, ARQT,
ATXI, AUGX, EPV,
No. LPRO. LPRO, too big of a spread between the bid and the ask.
ACHV,
May have potential later.
AUGX,
Yeah, CHSN, yeah. Watching that. Possibly could see that go a little bit higher. My PLTR starting to move a little bit.
JDST,
Big seller up there, 90.
AEI,
Big share size coming in. 92 at 82. 81. Bottom right hand corner here, folks, is time and sales. So watching the actual orders coming in here.
EPV,
That 85, 86.
PVBC, ALXO,
Let's see. I have that one $10 target sitting up there. It's gonna have to go through a lot of. If these are full orders out here, it's gonna get tough up there.
PVBC,
So you made 80, where'd you make 80 cents on? Which one? Made 80 cents?
BITQ.
LPRO?
BBLN.
Not a whole lot of selling until you get up above that 50. But I don't like the charts. It looks like it's going lower right now. Not to say it won't bounce. It
LDPH.
could definitely bounce. I want to watch my PL. So let's see what's going on my PLTR. See LRO, I'm thinking that's still going to come down. Yeah, I still think that's going to come down. It's got some lower levels down here to hit. See if it comes down. Now, if it comes back up to 222, I'd be interested in buying it. I'm going to put a little alarm up there. 222. I'm going to watch CLRO. Possible buy it at 222.
KRBP.
All right, we're going to watch that 222. All right, I got to watch. Let's see. What is my PLTR going to do? Got a little bit of profit on PLTR, not much. Only have 200 shares on.
ALXO.
Wow, nice, Cam. Good job. $600, $630. Good for you. What kind of setup was that?
ALXO.
LRPO. I'm sorry, LPRO. What kind of setup did you have on LPRO?
PIII.
Good morning, Alan.
JAN.
Still holding on the CTRX. Let's see.
BITQ. BWEN.
I don't see any reason to hold on to CTRX. I'm going to go ahead and get out of CTRX. Took a $42, nope, $44 loss on CTRX. Still on PLTR. Still on CTIC. Man, that's just quiet as.
ALXO.
But I think we're going to get a nice little pop on that. All right. PLTR starting to move.
APEI.
Up to 92. Let's see if we can blast through. There's 94. Need to really get through 10. Let's get through 10. Oh, I see what you did. Nice, Cam. Little risky trade doing. That's kind of risky though. Are we going to go through 10? Let's watch PLTR.
EPV, PYXS. ARAV.
It sounds good. Sounds good.
KRBP. APEI.
All right, so I'm just
BBLM.
watching a few positions here, still on
LUMO.
PLTR. Want to see what happens at 10. In the meantime, if anybody has a stock or commodity they like me to look at, try to get to it and see if we see any setups. See if any of my patterns set up. Big, just a lot of sellers up here. Is that going to go away as we get closer? Let's see.
PYXS.
Pretty good sized sell order right there. And 95 big buy orders coming in. 97, 98, 99. Already hit, did we hit 10?
UEIC.
Are we going to absorb? Ready to pull the trigger. Watching the orders down here. I want to see what size orders are coming in. Big order at 98. Bunch of buying coming in. Come on, let's get through 10. Another big eye, 96, 97. $94. Just gonna go ahead and get out, take my profit, small little profit on that, got out of PLTR. Just having a tough time getting through.
BWEN.
All right, what else we have on? We're still along CTIC. Still looking good. Slow mover, very, very slow. Dow's now down 96.
EPV.
Still short my gold. Probably add on the gold around 49, 20, 49.
BWEN.
come up to 49. I'll put on a little bit more short on that gold. So we're short gold.
UBX, UIHC.
So once again, if you're watching our morning show live,
LUMO.
don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, if you hit the notification bell, we'll keep you updated any of our new videos. Once again, I do this every morning, first hour, and then I move over to our live trading room. We trade for an additional 2 hours. Keep in mind that there is a delay here. So please do not try to blindly follow my trades. There is a 5 to 10 second delay going through YouTube. If you're in our live trading room, there is no delay. We do stream through Zoom. Remember, trading is risky. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. And anytime, if you're a new trader or you're trading new strategies, always start off in a simulator. Practice with play money before you ever go live. If you can't make it in a simulator, you won't make it in a live account. That's one of the biggest things that I see new traders. They get all excited and they jump in head first with real money and they end up blowing themselves out. Never do that. Be patient. You have to have patience in this business. If you don't have patience, you're going to end up blowing yourself out of the water. Got to have patience because sometimes the best trade is no trade. All right, so we're just holding on to gold and CTIC. Not doing much.
TZOO.
What is index? Let's look at index. Index. Nope, nothing on index. ERBN. I don't like it. I'm just going to take that one completely off my radar. I don't like it. BBAI, we'll leave that on there. SMX. Take that off. Don't like it. TOP. Nope. ENSC. I'll keep that on the radar. May have some opportunities. Once again, LPRO. Looks like it's going down. So up from there.
VOC.
Favorite JDST. Nothing there. MVST. I don't like MVST. MVST looks like it can have a little pop up. Spread's a penny, 7 million. Yeah, I'll buy a little bit of MVST. I'm just not doing a lot of size today, guys. Keeping it way down. Start with 200 shares. Not putting on a whole lot of risk today. All right, let's see if we can get up to 185 on this MVST.
BITQ.
183. Yeah, I was trying to get some clusters on these
KTRA.
earnings.
PBLN.
Ah, 191. Much better. All right, and MVST. I like MVST. I'm going to add a little bit more here on MVST. Wow, we're already at the top of the hour, folks. So that's going to wrap it up for the first hour. We'll continue on in our live trading room. Thank you again for joining us this morning. Please join us every morning.
PTPI.
Same time every day, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern time. Please check out my YouTube channel. I have plenty of videos out there. I have over 1,000 videos, so plenty of good information out there for you. My approach is different. It is simple, but I've been using it for the last 35 years, so it does work. I believe in the tools I've developed. These are my own personal tools. These are not publicly available tools. And my approach is simple, which makes it easier to stick with. And I believe simplicity is really the key to trade.
AIP.
So that's going to be it. Everybody have a great day. And hopefully we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning. Take care.